People, oh no do. I hope you alright. So me see Lady Keish do a video about a bombshell where room ram drop. So me watch the video and me realize say she a talk about the thing where room ram post about how people reporting video. And me really laugh because people report my video. Me get that same email from YouTube, but me never post it. Me only post about the hacking where Vibes with Rosa say, oh, me lie. But it's true, me not owe nobody no obligation. Me not have to show nobody nothing, but me go show this. Because, you know, I go on like the world coming to an end. When people over phone side, I do the same thing to me. Just like how the people are doing to Romram. As so, social media go. You have to have thick skin and ready for anything will come. So, when you know what talk about bombshell, think again. Talk to phone people. Because, you know make this thing go way beyond where if you go. You know, make it look like people out for you. I saw the business go. I saw the business go. Me get the same thing too. Same thing me get to.